Okay, hi guys. My name is Jeff Lee. Okay, I'm gonna open. I already opened these, but I didn't see them, because I got 5 of them. So I have 3 sticker collections from Target. I have there's 7 cards each in them. So I'm gonna open this one first. I hope I don't get any repeats. Or I don't want any LeBron James or Kyrie. Oh yeah, I got Zach Randolph, Junkyard Dog. Okay, Zach Randolph, Gordon Hayward, Carmelo Anthony, Nick Collison. Okay, I have 2 jerseys from Orlando. And I have Bulls versus Thunder and Chris Bosh, the Dunks. And okay, now the next one. Okay. Eamon Shuppet, I think, I don't know. Spurs versus Rockets. Orlando Magic. Piston 2 jerseys. And Kendi, Award, Wayne Elgington, I don't know. Victor Obito, I don't know. I don't know what this is. The Western teams. Okay, now the final one. I still have some right here, so. For now, I don't have any repeats. Dang it. Yeah. Oh man, I finally got 1 repeated. Kawhi Leonard. Thunders versus Mavericks. Ben McLemore. Golden State's jersey. Dirk Nowitzki. A cartoon. Alex Len and Julius Randle. And now I have the Western Kobe Bryant, CJ McCollum, Amora Casper, Clippers, and the repeated Kawhi Leonard. And rookie Domantas Sabonis and Denzel, J.R. Smith, Ed Davis, Ben Simmons, Kyle Korver, Aaron Baines, Brandon Knight, and Blake Griffin. Okay, bye guys. Please leave a like and subscribe. Bye.